Hi folks, it's John from KingstonPowderCoating.com and lastchanceautorestore.com. I apologize, our camera person is away. I'd like to share with you this update. These are very rare wheels. You see there's two here on the bench that we're preparing. These are the steel spoked rim off of the 1933 Ford truck. These are a correct factory spoked wheel. They're a steel wheel with the steel hub and the steel spokes, and they were incorrectly painted, and quite a pain to get to this point. You can see where we've sandblasted or media blasted. We used some paint stripper and lots of hand sanding and so on. These are extremely difficult to prepare, especially where all these spokes are, these base spokes where they get attached to the steel wheel, and very, very tricky to have access to them. They're extremely difficult to prime, epoxy, and paint. So what we're doing is we're preparing these for powder coating. We've got a specific yellow that we've ordered in that is almost a virtually identical match to the yellow that these wheels should be for the green and black 1933 truck. So this is the front side or the outside face of the rim, and then beside it is another rim, which is the back side of the hub. And once again, you can see, hopefully it shows up in the camera fairly well, you can see every one of those little spokes and the bases on the spokes. If you can imagine, to try and get in all those nooks and crannies. It was a lot of fun, being quite sarcastic, to have that all prepared, because it's very, very important with the powder coating that there's no leftover product of any kind before we powder coat over top. So just wanted to share with you, this is kind of like the before, the in-between, and the after. So we've got some pictures of what these wheels look like originally. They were primed and painted, and there was a lot of chipping and a lot of rust bleeding through, so they weren't prepared properly when they were painted by the previous chap roughly 20 some years ago. So what we're going to do is we'll share this video with you with them sandblasted, media blasted, and almost ready for powder coating, and then we're going to do a little more sanding and preparing work, and then we'll share with you another video of what they look like once they're powder coated the special yellow color. So these are the steel spoked rims for the 1933 Ford half-ton truck. I thank you for watching. I'm John from KingstonPowderCoating.com and lastchanceautorestore.com. Thanks for watching.